Welcome back to Sharmaland Chess. Today, we're diving into a dangerous trick hidden in the English opening, Mikenas trap. If your opponent isn't careful, this trap can destroy their position within just a few moves. Let's go step by step and see how this deadly setup works. First move, white plays c4. White starts with the English opening, a flexible move controlling the d5 square and preparing to expand on the queen side. First move, black replies with knight f6. Black develops the knight, eyeing the central squares e4 and d5. Second move, white plays knight c3. White brings out another knight, reinforcing control of e4 and d5. Second move, black replies with e6. Black prepares d5 and opens the diagonal for the dark-squared bishop. Third move, white plays e4. This is the Mikenas variation. White suddenly grabs the center with a strong pawn thrust. Third move, black replies d5. Black strikes back in the center. This is the critical response. Fourth move, white plays e5. White pushes forward, attacking the knight on f6 and gaining space. Fourth move, black replies with d4. Instead of retreating, black counters. This is a bold move, challenging white's setup immediately. Fifth move, white plays e takes f6. White takes the knight. Looks like a free piece. This is where the trap begins. Fifth move, black replies d takes c3. Black sacrifices back, now hitting white's knight on c3 and opening lines of attack. Sixth move, b takes c3. White captures. Now the b-file is open, but white's pawn structure is slightly weak. Sixth move, black replies with queen takes f6. Black recaptures with the queen, activating it early and targeting c3 and d4. Seventh move, white plays d4. White stabilizes the center, protecting pawns and gaining space. Seventh move, black replies b6. Black develops quietly, preparing bishop b7 and pressuring the long diagonal. Eighth move, white plays knight f3. White develops naturally, attacking the queen's central control. Eighth move, black replies bishop b7. Black places the bishop on the long diagonal, eyeing g2 and white's center. Ninth move, white plays bishop d3. White develops the bishop toward the king side, preparing to castle and possibly attack. Ninth move, black replies with knight d7. Here comes the mistake. Instead of developing properly with bishop d6 or h6, black plays knight d7, which allows white's trap to spring. 10th move, white plays bishop g5. And here it is. White pins the knight on f6. The tension grows. 10th move, black replies bishop takes f3. Black decides to exchange, removing white's dangerous bishop. 11th move, white plays queen d2. A sneaky move. White connects rooks, prepares castling long, and sets a deadly trap. 11th move, black replies with bishop takes g2. Black gets greedy, grabbing a pawn. It looks safe, but looks can be deceiving. 12th move, white plays bishop takes f6. A brilliant in-between move. White sacrifices the bishop, breaking black's defenses. 12th move, black replies with bishop takes h1. Black thinks they're winning a rook, but wait. 13th move, white plays bishop h4. And suddenly, black's bishop is trapped. White will regain material and end up with a huge advantage. That's the essence of the Mikenas trap, luring the opponent into overconfidence and punishing them brutally. And that's how the Mikenas trap works in the English opening. Remember, one careless move in the opening can cost the entire game. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deadly traps and deep chess analysis. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep checkmating.